How to set a reminder for health documentation on weekly basis in CANKADO Web. Visit our website cankado.com. Please log in with your registered credentials. Click on Health Status under the Diary section. You will get a slider scale on the right side of the screen. To set the reminder for health status, click the clock symbol above the slider. Select your preferred frequency by clicking here. If you want to set a reminder for health documentation weekly, select the weekly option here. Select the start date here. Select the end date by clicking here. You can also eliminate the end date by unticking the end date box here. Select the reminder time for your health documentation. If you want to add a reminder for only specified days on the week, select the weekdays option. Select your preferred weekdays here. Click Activate Reminder. Reminder has been successfully added on a weekly basis. You can view your added reminders in the Reminders section.